Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus, and let me share with you how to check the serial number of this device. So let's start with the fastest way through the secret code. We have to open the dialer and enter the code, which is *##06#. And as you can see at the bottom of this pop-out window, we've got the serial number of this device. So let me tap on OK, and let me show you another way through the settings. So we have to tap on them, and here tap on About Phone, which is at the top of the settings list. Then let's tap on Detailed Info and Specs. And there we have to find the status. Right here we have to scroll down and localize this option, so the model. Let's tap on it, and as you can see, the serial number is right here. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.